Auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Dear students of BBA 2, I am Bashir Ahmad, your mathematics teacher. Uh, Before suspension of classes, we had studied functions, graphs of algebraic functions, and matrices. Now we try to continue the teaching process through video lectures. The next chapter that we are going to start is linear programming. What is linear programming? You know that a businessman is always interested in maximizing the profit and minimizing the cost. Linear programming provides a method to maximize or minimize a first degree function such as profit function or cost function, subject to certain restrictions, and these restrictions are known as constraints. Before going into details of the topic linear programming, we first discuss linear inequality. Linear inequalities. You have studied linear equations in the previous chapters. Here we are going to discuss linear inequalities. The linear equation is of the form ax plus by is equal to c. This is the general form of a linear equation. Now, what is linear inequality? When we replace the equality sign by less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, less than or greater than, we get an inequality. For example, two x minus 5y greater than or equal to 10 is a linear inequality. Graph of linear inequality. To learn how to draw the graph of a linear inequality, let us take an example. Graph the inequality two x minus 5y greater than or equal to 10. We follow a few steps to find the graph, to draw the graph of the given inequality. The step 1 is to write down its associated equation. What is associated equation? When the inequality sign of the given inequality is replaced by the equality sign, we get an equation known as associated equation. So the associated equation of the given inequality is 2x minus 5y is equal to 10. The step 2. First we draw the equation of the associated equation. First we draw the graph of the associated equation. For this we need 2 points. So we find the intercepts of the given equation. You have studied intercepts in the previous chapter. The value of y obtained by putting x is equal to 0 is known as the y-intercept. For x is equal to 0, we have minus 5y is equal to 10. Then dividing both sides by minus 5, we have y is equal to minus 2. Now for y is equal to 0, we have 2x is equal to 10. Then dividing both sides by 2, we have x is equal to 5. So the associated line passes through zero minus 2 and 5 0, and you know that 2 points are sufficient to draw a straight line. To draw the graph of the given inequality, draw the coordinate axes. If you have ruler, it will be better to draw the lines through a ruler. Mark the numbers on the x-axis and y-axis at equal distances. Now the line passes through the points 0 minus 2 and 5 0. 0 minus 2, when x is 0, y is 2. When x is 0, y is minus 2. When x is 0, y is minus 2. So the point on the associated line is 0 minus 2. Now the second point is 5 0. When x is 5, y is 0, so this point lies on x-axis. Joining the 2 points through a ruler, I have drawn a solid line because in the inequality we have greater than or equal to. The solid line is due to the equality sign. If we have strictly greater than or strictly less than, then we draw a dashed line. Now the next step is to use a test point. The difference between the graph of a linear equation and a linear inequality is that the graph of a linear equation is a straight line, while the graph of a linear inequality is the half plane either containing the origin or not containing the origin. That is why we are using the test point to check whether the given inequality represents the half plane containing the origin or not containing the origin. So using 0 0 as the test point in 2x minus 5y greater than or equal to 10, we have 2 into 0 minus 5 into 0 greater than or equal to 10. This implies 2 into 0 is 0, 5 into 0 is 0, we have 0 greater than or equal to 10. And this statement is false. This means that 0 0 does not satisfy the inequality, the given inequality. So the inequality (2x minus 5y greater than or equal to 10) represents the half plane, a half plane not containing the origin, the half plane not containing the origin. And if we have a true result, then the line will represent the half plane containing the origin. Half plane not containing the origin. Thus we have graphed the given inequality, and this is the end of this video lecture. If you have any question, you can send it through WhatsApp or any other means. Thank you.